Not really yet. So this series 3 finale. So never know. You might even be shorter than the Dalek two-parter one, or it could be as long as the Ascension of the Cybermen Timeless Children one. Who knows? Anyway, Dalek two-part one from this series. Or two-parters. Sorry. Ascension of the Cybermen Timeless Children, and sorry, 2 or 3 episodes are just of a story linked. Single. And the 10th Doctor seems to be more annoyed by Jack saying hello than the 9th Doctor. And the 10th Doctor seems to be bleh. Anyways. John Barrowman, of course, this discluding John Barrowman, of course. Discluding John Barrowman due to being a main cast member. This discludes John Barrowman because he's actually a main character. No. Anyway, Yana and his assistant Chantho, who, fun fact, will be played by Anyway, Yana and his assistant Yana and his assistant. And then that's why they ended up in the well, and the similar well, I suppose it could be anything, Anna, or in the Roof Doctor's case, to smash the glass. And he regenerates into John Sim, much to the Doctor's dismay, and he's trying to certainly by the time they get back down. He was trying to make a point. Yep. Whoopsies. And now they have to try and find a way to stop the Master from what he's up. Find what out. Perhaps. Anyway. I thought that had been. Anyway, Jack. As they're now public enemies 1, 2, and 3. Well, Doctor's number 1, Martha's 2. Also, there's a the first Jelly Baby cameo. Just a few more uses, and we'll be okay. But maybe we could have releasing but maybe like the 6th, 7th, and 8th Doctors. Maybe they just have but maybe like the 3rd, 6th, 7th, and 8th Doctors. They've got them with them. 12 as well. For them to become to have perception. So the Doctor sends Martha down to her. So I think this review will almost be as long as the Ascension Simon one. Sorry about this. But yeah, of Miranda Frey with the Master as well. The Master, basically. Well, so she's, as we'll see throughout the Moffat and Chibnall eras, as we'll see after. So things are a bit different there. So things are a bit different. Also, 2009 will not be. Now it all makes sense. Still don't know why Captain Jack couldn't have fought to help her before becoming the face of Bo a few million trillion years down the line. And that's 2,000 million. Apart from that one mention, I don't think. Excuse me. But apart from that one mention, as Martha says, she's got to. There's no tears of resentment. There's no regret. There's no sorrow, no regret. So that we can directly go straight into a Titanic. So So the very end of the just a few minutes after, just a few for the, and of course with time crash in the middle, the Doctor has just been speaking to the Fifth Doctor. So, and of course with time crash in the middle, you've had the death, and also Heaven Sent. Heaven Sent. Then we have the scene with the Doctor meeting Santa, which sort of doesn't actually tie into Last Christmas that much, apart from the, well, maybe a little. I think the one that works the best, or New Year special in the case of maybe, or maybe a New Year special, depending on depending on or actually it might be a New Year special, whatever, or actually So yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah. But anyway, but that's the sound of drums. Sorry, but that. In fact, the best sim portray the best than the series 3 or End of Time, but he's not so much. In fact, he's actually capturing quite probably the most the master who comes close to being much like the classic masters, out of any, and that is probably going to be the one of the few. But as for here, right here, spy thriller, but everything is still. Why couldn't you watch Clangers again, Master? He's sort of. And when I said he no longer has good television, he used to have good television taste, which is actually a pretty good series. I've decided to score this story an 8 out of 10. No, and we'll come back when we come to Voyager with the next, and the series 4 theme. Also, these are the first 3 episodes to feature more than 2 credits in the titles, with John Bloody Barrowman finally getting his name in the titles. Anyway, oh shit. Woo! So, that. Also, these are the first story. I'll do that again just in case. Also, these are the first titles of series 4. Well, 2 episodes are going to have. Ooh, and series 6 is going to have 3 and then you'll have 3 names in episode titles for series 7. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for Voyage. And I'll see you guys next time for Voyage of the Damned. Goodbye. Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Nicholas Payne bonus content YouTube channel.